Page 55. Greedy Gatekeepers. Remember Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar? Math Magic Class 4, page 14. Do you know how he became a minister? Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was very clever and could write poetry. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court, so he took some of his poems and set off for the city. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. "Hey, stop there! Where are you going?" shouted the gatekeeper. "I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him," replied the poet. "Oh, you are a poet. The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize." "I will let you in if you give me 1/10 of your prize." Page 56. Young Birbal agreed, since he had no other way. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated, "If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get dash gold coins." The poet came to a second gatekeeper. This gatekeeper also said, "I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your prize." The poet agreed. The gatekeeper happily calculated, "The poet will get at least 100 gold coins, so I will get dash gold coins." The poet reached the last gate. The gatekeeper said, "I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the prize that you get." The poet had no other way. He agreed and went inside. The gatekeeper thought, "Today is a great day. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get dash gold coins. But if he gets 1,000 coins, wow, I will get dash." The king was very happy with the poems and said, "Your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize." "My lord, I want 100 slaps." What? 100 slaps? The king was shocked. What happened after that? Complete the story. What part of the prize did the poet get? There are 3 pictures on the page. The first one of Birbal preparing and reciting his poem, the second one of King Akbar listening carefully, and the third one of Birbal smiling after he reveals the mystery of the prize. Page 57. Patterns in parts. There are 4 different grids shown here as A, B, C and D. All of them have white squares, except for A, in which we see some blue squares also. And we know that 8 by 16 is blue and 8 by 16 white, as has already been mentioned in a blank box below the square. Question 1. Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. 2. Look at grid A again. Is the grid colored? A. 1 by 2 blue, 1 by 2 white. B. 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white. C. 3 by 8 blue, 5 by 8 white. D. 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white. Mark cross on the wrong answer. Three. Draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with A. 2 by 8 red, 1 by 2 yellow, 1 by 4 green. B. 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red, 1 by 2 yellow. Page 58. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? Below this we have the picture of Ramu's vegetable field, which has been divided into 9 equal parts, and we see the pictures of 9 different vegetables. One. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? Two. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? Three. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjals? Four. Now you write some questions by looking at this picture. Page 59. On top of the page there is some blank white space for you to write your answers. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue circle Srija's share in yellow. Below this we have the picture of the tomatoes and potatoes. You have to circle the shares as asked. How many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get?